So here's a Python iteration, my first Python iteration of my shopping list app. We can create so, and you're reading what's on the list. You can update things. You can also delete things. So that covers the CRUD with it. Create, read, update and delete. I've also, in this one, got my in the basket feature. So if you once you've sort of got it in the basket, you click on it and click the button. That changes the colour of the font. So instead of deleting it, you're leaving it there on the list. So if you want to buy that next week, it's still there on the list, and just to when you get home and bring it back to the list by clicking on return to list, and it returns it to the same colour as everything else on the list. So that's the Python, well, first iteration of the Python one. Next up's going to be a C# one with Xamarin Forms. So thanks for watching.